Good day, YouTube. Welcome to a Tits Beer Bomb 420 snack review. We're going to be looking at a Lay's flavor here. Now, I don't know if it's a new flavor or if it's only been in select parts of the world for a certain amount of time. I found some other flavors, and if they're ones I've heard of in the past, they've had some flavors just very limited to like a small area. But anyways, we're going to be looking, and these don't say if they're new or not, and they didn't say that on the like stand thing you're on. You only found like the individual bag version. So this is Lay's fries and gravy. Gravy smell to it, and then like a seasoning spice to it. A little bit of a fry smell, I guess. There's a salty aspect to it. Starts out like a salty plain chip. I'm gonna say the French fry aspect would be because it's a potato chip, a potato for the French fry. And as for the gravy part, natural flavors. Yeah, there is a little bit of like something there. I don't know if I would fully say gravy. I get more like a salty potato chip, but in a different way it does have. Okay, you know what? It's like a salty fry with an odd gravy because there's all these odd kind of aftertaste now. But if I didn't know the flavor's name, I probably wouldn't say what it is. But I don't know what I would say. I would say maybe just like a seasoning blend or something.